Hello guys, welcome back to our channel One to Step. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix your Snapchat if it is showing support code SS06. So what does support SS06 means? It means that if you're trying to log into your Snapchat account over and over again, then it might think that you've been trying to hack into your account or you're trying to break into your account and it disabled your account. So now to fix your Snapchat code SS06, first of all wait for 20 minutes to log in again and check also your Snapchat server on the Google. Type in Snapchat server status, and after you have typed in, click on it down detector, and as you can see your Snapchat server is working fine. Also after that restart your mobile phone and it would be working again, or if you have turned on your VPN then turn it off. Now go to your settings, scroll down a little bit and go to apps and search in Snapchat and clear all the cache that your Snapchat have. Now go to storage, clear data and clear cache and hit OK. And after that your Snapchat support code would be fixed. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.